Garlic Mustard by Emily and Sarah.
Alright, so our problem and hypothesis. The problem is the health of a forest can be affected greatly by garlic mustard. And our hypothesis is, as of now, garlic mustard is not really affecting the forest. There are spots with like some of the smaller stalks, like this picture. This was an actual picture taken out at a quabbie. There are some taller stalks of garlic mustard, but it is not yet really affecting the growth of the forest or the health.
This overall picture shows that the health of the forest is good. The average temperature in this area is about 50 degrees Fahrenheit in a typical year. In this picture, about half of each is an old tree as to a new tree, and all are deciduous trees in the picture shown.
Alright, so due to some recent storms, the branches shown in this photo have fallen, so there are some more dead wood that is off the ground more than on the ground. The health of the forest overall in this picture is pretty fair, and the next thing is like the average rainfall in Iowa is about 34 inches per year, and in this area garlic mustard is not really taking its toll on this part, so it's not really affecting any part of it.
So the overall effect of garlic mustard in Iowa is pretty extensive. It is an ongoing problem in mostly all of the counties in Iowa except for one. It is able to expand by sending out compounds from its roots to stop the growth of plants around it through a chemical reaction in which it kills the undergrowth and stunts the growth that it has.
Alright, so in conclusion to all this research that we have done and our pictures, it shows that the overall health of this forest is still in a pretty fair condition. Though there should probably be showing some the concern for the garlic mustard that has started in some areas of a quabbie, and maybe making sure that it will not spread further than it has. Like in the photo off to the side, you can see the taller white flowers, the ones that have like the small white dot at the top. So there's some concern that should be shown, but otherwise the forest is fair condition.
Some ways of preventing the expansion of garlic mustard is by manual prevention and just digging up by the root, and to cut them when they are flowering to prevent the pollination and the seeding in the area. Some of the mechanical ways of preventing expansion is burning in small areas, using a propane torch on the seedlings, and a chemical way of preventing is foliar application, and this should be done in the spring or fall, as well as the mechanical, and the manual can be done anytime. And the biological way of preventing the spread is ways to research on insects to destroy garlic mustard, which is also a research topic that is in progress now.